My name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here. In today's video, as part of our Wing Chun and grappling program, it's taking a Pak Sao to an arm drag. But before we do that, I need you to go over to the boxes. Please click like and subscribe and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support and have a great day.
Two things that we had done in the striking class. So we're going to take the first one off a jab. So again, everything I'm starting from just today is orthodox. You all remember it's orthodox, we're going left to left. So I need to close the distance, all right? So he's going to shoot the jab. Remember we did some head movement, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in, I'm going to do a little bit of head movement from here, right? So this footwork pattern is this foot needs to come up as I'm moving my head to the side. Okay? You're all okay with that? So when I'm in here, my left hand is going to come above his arm. And I'm going to trap from here, and I want to bring him forward. All right, I'm bringing my head down because I want my head next to his head, so I don't like the side of my head punched in. All right, so in this progression, what we're going to do is we're going to slip, catch, pull it down. From here, if you don't go for a throw, you can knee, or you can elbow, and this is something that we're going to work in, but let's just get the throw down, okay? Everybody good with that? Yes. So again, we're going to step off the line. I'm going to come, I'm going to trap from here. My other foot's going to go behind him, and all I'm going to do is hold an arm drag. So I want to look at where I want to throw him, so I want to throw him here, and all I'm basically doing is I'm throwing him over my leg. I'm tripping him from here. So you want to straighten this leg out, all right? And just go through the mechanics. I don't care if you don't start with the throw. We're just going to come here and there's your throw. See where his balance is from here? All right, so if you guys want to start with it, you want to do the throw, otherwise do a three-quarter throw, you guys know what's going to happen. Don't stiffen up. The easiest thing to do from here is do your squat right fold. So I'm going to take it, I'm going to take the throw, and he's just going to put it down. All right? You guys can set this up. I do a little head movement, bang, hit to the body, wrap him up. 1, 2. There's my throw. You guys okay?
Yes, it's
Any questions? Shoot the down, step in, doing progressions. We're working. 1, 2. I bring him down, right? Because I can smash him in the head if this is the street. I got him nice and tight. Come behind him. Now look, see where my elbow is? The elbow's into his shoulder. Come on, get close. It's okay. Look, film works, it works, doesn't it? So you got a good strike here. You can bring this up to the face too, all right? But again, we're just starting here. I'm using this my elbow as part of the brace. And all I'm doing from here is I'm locking my leg out and I'm turning. You guys okay? So it's going to be from here. Watch, I'm just going to come in. I'm going to step up. I'm going to trap. I'm going to scoop behind, raise my elbow slightly, and drag him into the ground. Okay? Good.
It's nice.
I love you. Cool.
Mr. Middles. Now it's Chef's turn, right?
Yes.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.